Don't download Covey app before watching this. If you're considering Covey app for investing, stop and pay attention. At first glance, it promises a modern, intuitive way to manage your investments, but most people get this wrong. It's not a complete financial solution, and there are hidden limitations you need to know before signing up. Covey app aimed to help users track their portfolios, monitor financial goals, and analyze market data in one place. The interface is clean and user-friendly, making it appealing for beginners. However, the surprising truth is that the app's analysis tools are relatively basic. Advanced investors may find the insights limited, especially if you want detailed metrics or trade recommendations. Another key factor is connectivity. Covey relies on linking external brokerage accounts to track investments accurately. If your brokerage isn't supported, or if data sync isn't seamless, your portfolio tracking could be inaccurate or delayed. This is particularly important for those who make frequent trades or manage multiple accounts. Fees are another consideration. While the app itself may be free, premium features such as in-depth analytics or personalized reports can come at a cost. It's essential to evaluate whether these add-ons justify the price. On the bright side, Covey app can help beginners develop financial awareness and visualize their net worth, goals, and asset allocation in one place. It's great for users who want to get organized and gain a clear picture of their finances without diving into complex spreadsheets. In conclusion, don't download Covey app expecting a full-scale investing platform or guaranteed advice. It's best for financial tracking and organization, not advanced trading. Knowing these limits upfront ensures you can use the app effectively and avoid frustration. Covey can support smarter financial planning, but only if you understand exactly what it offers.